Okay, and finishing off our first year decisions, we're going into the media planning section. Now, like I said, this has a lot of information, and it can be difficult to grasp at first, but once you get it, and it's integral to succeeding in the simulation. So, our expenditure is, what we can have, like our marketing budget. I believe that is what it is, and this is what we're spending of that just in this. So with this, we're gonna just lower it down a bit. We're gonna go 4.75 million, and so looking at like other options, like if we go into market research and look at this, uh, you know, you want to look at the new ones. So that one drops. That one drops. That one. So magazines, radio go up, everything else drops. So you might want to go back into the media planning, and so magazines and radio go up. So I'm thinking maybe 20 and 25. Put you at 5 because you drop slightly. We'll go 15 and we'll go 35. Still equals 100, and we'll apply those settings. Now, you might be thinking, that's all I have to do. My TV's at 35%. I did all that. But now you can go into TV and the allocation. Now, of that 1.6625 million, how do you want that divided? So like I said, it looks a lot more confusing than what it is. It's just you're entering more numbers. So if you look here at network, again, that's going even further. So the network then gets divided into that. So you think, okay, maybe most of our numbers should go into this one, and then we'll equal everything out. So if we go, we'll go 20, 20, and 25, and we'll apply these settings because it looks like you want to put more of your money into the network as it allocates even further into early morning, daytime, early fringe. I don't believe we have access. Yeah, I think there's in further years you'll get marketing research that actually gives you what specific allocations to do in terms of network, national spot. Like it'll say which ones are good, which ones are bad, and then going further into early morning, daytime. I believe there's marketing research. I'll correct myself later when we get to that point. But for now, let's just kind of maybe even these out. So we'll go 5, we'll go 15, we'll go 25, 10, and then with that, we'll just drop that one to 40, and we'll apply. Now we can go to newspapers, and it's essentially like the same thing, where let's go 55, and we'll go 15, 15, and 15. Just keep it at a round number for the moment. And then going into general. With this one, I say, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and none of them are really shown at the moment to be better than the other, we'll just go an even 20% all around. Until we have more information, we'll just keep everything equal. So magazines, so I'm thinking, news magazines, we'll keep that at 5. We'll drop entertainment down to 15. And we'll drop women's and men down to 25 apiece. And we'll put the family, because we're focusing on family, up to 30. And we'll apply these settings. And then in terms of women's lifestyle, what shall we do? We'll go 15, and we'll put that up to 60. Because usually, I guess women's lifestyle between the ages of 18 and 34 might be looking at children. So actually, what I'm going to say, let's lower that to 10. and raise that to 25, because the 35 to 55 market could still be fit within that range. And then in terms of men, youth 12 to 17, I don't know why that's as high as it is. Um, I say we go 50 there, and we'll go 30 there, which will go 15 in that section. Because we want to focus more on the family age. All right, radio. Now this is where these marketing research reports come in handy once we have access to them. So in terms of allocation, let's just round these numbers. So we'll go 30, we'll go 10, we'll go 10, we'll go 10, and we'll go 30. Just to round the numbers off. So then when we go into country, again, it's doing these 5. So until we get more information, we'll just be keeping these at an even 20% across the board. And adult contemporary, I believe it's the same. Oh, no, it's the different options. But again, till we get more information, and there's 4 of them, we'll just put everything at 25. Just to keep it simple until we get more information. And in terms of interactive, we can do direct mail and internet. And I say, let's just let's do a 60-40 split instead of a 70-30. We could do 50-50 and then see where it can need improvements. So actually, no, we'll do that. We'll do a 50-50 split. And when we get more information, we'll adjust. So up next, we have forecast results for this year. So I guess it's saying that we're forecasted to make a $25 million profit. Budget, we still have that to spend. 25 again, and again listing our current decisions, which again there's a lot because it really breaks down the media planning. And with that, we will roll over into the second year, and I will see you guys back for our year 2 decisions.